Okay, in this tutorial we'll be creating this club flyer design. So let's lock it first in. First we'll start on the background. So here comes color black. Okay, so the next thing I do is create a shape. And then come to gradients, tap on plus. I use this. Tap on plus here, transparent. Tap on this and then let's go and pick. It's more like an orange color use there. Okay. I'll copy. Edit. Change the position of this. And come up with this other color here. Purple. There it is. Now let's import the image that was used. Is it this one? Or not this one? I'm just trying to get the image. It's trying to post over. Now send it to back. Lock this too. Let's lock this in place. And then the last shape down here, also a gradient. Change this one's color to black, and then the top transparent. Okay, and just move it to the back of these two. Right, okay, in front of it. And lock it there. Okay, so now we just start with, okay, for the heading here, Ladies Night, I created the text effect and then I just saved it because the text effect was created in bold, so I just have to save it. Just have to save it. And then come to color filters and just change the color to purple. So let's just lock it. Bring this to front. Okay, night. And I GHT. Color red. Then I added shadow. Okay. Let's just love that. this up a bit. This thing needs to be a little bit bigger. Start with the first shape. So you just design, you just have to think and do. That's just it. Now no one would know that this was the image that was used at the end of this design when you finish it and edit it. Okay. Copy. Just drag it so that they're on the same line. Change this one's color to red. Disc, jockey, font. I just love this popping font. I use it a lot. This and Nexa. Change the color to black. Reduce size to 14. It's always good to make your text sit down inside any shape you are creating for it. Hype man. Like, let there be space around it. Let it not be just too choked up and then touching the edges of that your shape, almost as if you want to come outside and it's touching the edge. Allow it to breathe. Let the ball breathe. Allow your text also to breathe. It gives it one kind of look, that like sophisticated look. Location. You'll notice that in most of my designs that I just like space to be around my text, especially when they're inside the shape. Location. And then the last one is circle here. Okay. Copy. DJ Hockey and DJ Hockey and DJ Liquid. DJ Hockey. DJ Liquid. Reduce line spacing, and then voila, Swansea boy and Hype Man Razzie. Swansea boy, Hype Man Razzie. I keep on writing those. It's an Eco Street, Lagos State. Isale, Eco Street, Lagos State. Let's do this. And then last, drink responsibly. Is that possible in the club? Drink responsibly. Let us reduce the size. Copy. Undisclosed location and bar. 18 plus. This. Change it from there. Change it to popular. Okay. Increase size. Voila. Okay. It's mean 10 RPM. Copy. 28th August. Select that. Move. Select that also. And just move. Yeah. At least I'm going to reduce the size a bit. 25. Reduce line spacing. I just make this so it will be easy to copy. Copy. Remove this thing. Same thing here. 25. Reduce line spacing. And last thing, the bottle of champagne. Photo, we are down. Okay. Here it is. And all we have to do is now we just save. Now can I take it to PixArt or PS Touch? Any of the above. Any one of them will do. So you can either just take it to pixellab and PS touch, add lens flare, and then we take it to either Snapseed or Lightroom, but I use Lightroom most of the times, so you can just take it to any of them. So let's just fix Photoshop PS touch. Let's use PS touch. So, PS touch now. I have to look for that thing. I have to look for it down. I don't know why it basically changes the direction of things. I don't know why it changes the direction of things. Something is supposed to be up is down. Okay, so just come here, tap on plus, photo layer, photo library, go back, look for download into small like and then look for the lens. Here it is. Just increase the size now. Okay, this is what to do. The first one. Okay. Tap on it. Tap on plus, duplicate layer. Done. Tap on this. Tap on transform. And move for okay. No. I did it wrong. Let's bring it again. Okay, so let's just duplicate this. Duplicate down and hide one. Come to this now. Transform. Okay. Come to this. This layer. Blend mode. Here for this and the screen also tap on moving, increase it, just place it here because it matches. If I place it on purple, you can it's already here. Okay, and then done. Save. So you can choose to add it to your taste, but let me just save this. Let's take this to Snapseed. Load up. That's it. So detail, not so much. And then I come to graining film, reduce the style strength. I just want it to have grain, this grain like feel. Okay, I think 50 is enough. Now you can see. You can see how sharp it is now. And then export. And we're done.